Mathematicians. Today we've got a problem called football or soccer. Where I grew up, the sport that we're talking about is called football, and in America we call it soccer. The soccer field is 90 meters long and 45 meters wide. What is its perimeter? Go ahead and pause the video and try this problem. See if you can get it by yourself, and then come back and watch me solve. If I was reading a question on a screen, I would write down all of the important information on the paper or whiteboard that I was working on. So 90 meters long, 45 meters wide, and we're looking for the perimeter. Football fields are rectangles, so I'm going to draw my rectangle, label the length and width, and I labeled the inside the area. It's really important to know that the amount covered on the inside is the area, and then the outside is the perimeter. So if I asked you to walk the perimeter, you would be walking around the outside of the field. We're going to look at a 4th grade and a 5th grade strategy for solving this problem, so you'll get to see it 2 different ways. 4th graders might add 90 plus 45 plus 90 plus 45, because remember we need both the lengths and both the widths. There are 4 sides to a rectangle. A 5th grader should know the equation perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, because there's 2 90s and then there's 2 45s. Both strategies are looking for the same answer. One is just using a formula to do that. My 2 9s together give us 18. The 2 4s together give us 8. And then we have one more. So 18 plus 8 plus 1. And that's 27. And since those are tens, 27 tens means 270. So here let's look at the 5th grade example. 2 times 90 and 2 times 45. When I have a number touching the outside of a parentheses, that means multiplication. So 2 times 90 is 180, 2 times 45 is 90, and when I add them together, I get 270. The perimeter of the football field is 270 feet long. The perimeter of the football field is 270 feet long. Ooh, meters. Meters. That's right, not feet. See, always go back to your question to make sure that you're using the right units. It is not 270 meters square and is not 270 meters cubed. Those are for area or volume. We're looking for perimeter, so it's just 270 meters in length. Have a great day, mathematicians. Thanks for watching.